I like eating a roast chicken with mash and pea at the plane.
I agree. Let's eat it.
Oh no, I don't feel good.
I don't feel good too. I am going to
Bob.
Sully.
Both are you okay?
No, we are not okay. Me and Sully been sick.
Yeah, I agree. Take me and Bob to the hospital.
Is okay. Bob the builder and Sully. I take both you to the hospital to make it better. To stay at home, not going to Barbados. Me and Sully to stay home. And Wendy and Mike going. Me and Sully to ground Randall and Waternoose and Split.